Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on a Xiaomi Redmi 13C. And to do this, let's start with the first one. It will be on how to translate into another language, and your phone will also speak out loudly those translations. And it goes like this: Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. Okay, moving on. Next is on how to count calories in your food. Hey Google, how many calories in a burger? Okay, and so our phone interface just crashed. Let's try again. Hey Google, how many calories in a burger? Next one will be on how to call anyone from your contacts list. Hey Google, call my mom. And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Next is on how to send messages, and you can say what should be included in the message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger. And again, replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And the last one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you can't identify where it is. Hey Google, where are you? Your phone will start making sound and it should be easy to find. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.